everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi reality TV show, and namhla guys sikhuluma ngothando nesithembu. Guys, seliphelile ke uthando nesithembu usizini 9, and ibuye ngazi ukuthi cha liyaqhubeka la einkundleni ke zokuxhumana. Guys, wanibonile ukuthi ke isizini ipheleke uma Khumalo kanye ke no Baba Mseleku ke bengezweni kahle noma ke benga reachanga a common ground. Kuneyithombe ke eyipostwe ke ubaba Mseleku uqala nje waposta ivideo ka season 9 we Khumalo ube khona naye emfakile. Wayeseposta ke la ubaba Mseleku waposta isithombe sakhe noMacele uNdlunkulu Macele, the first wife. Waposta yena naye, waphinde futhi waposta uMayeni naye ke ubaba Mseleku. Then ke wayeseyishaya kwayibaxa ukuthi ke aposte ke uMangwabe. Phela uMangwabe guys is the fourth wife. So akangamposta kuMakhumalo ke, wameqa uMakhumalo wayoposta ke uMangwabe. Ayike ama comment ke guys ke abantu ke bekhuluma ke bethi ke the fact that you never is to try to humble Makay clearly shows ukuthi she is a goat, she is deaf, who she think she is. We haven't seen engine though khuphuka lapho Mzilikazi. Uyamnyanya shem Makhumalo, uyangidina shem lo baba, uyangidina shem lo baba. Wathi ke omunye for Makhumalo to leave this marriage athole indoda azale and fix her calling. They say Yahori, you can be 55-year-old boy in a man's body. I hope it all makes sense now. Abantu bamdela uMseleku, but ke wabaniki right guys wathi abantu bakhuluma ukuthi abafuna ukuyikhuluma. Phela uMseleku usebenza indaba ka season 10 kahle kahle. So nje he must portray lento ephele isizini eyiyo. Wathi omunye ke indlondlo yama captions ke le mnikazi wama captions. Wathi omunye very beautiful ke abafazi bakho bonke futhi cha bahle ngempela guys. Amakhosi abamseleku wonke kusuka kuMacele kuza kuMangwabe, kuza kuMayeni, kuza kuMakhumalo. Like you'll be confused kahle kahle ubani omuhle ukudlula omunye. Unehle baMseleku na uMakhwele naye muhle noMakhwela guys. So nje ngicanga ukuthi ke mhlambe namhlanje baMseleku uzoposta ke uMakhumalo nje umkhiphile exclude ya noMpilo nje ayishem abekho ezincwadini ke ezi right ke zika baba ke uMseleku. But ke guys ya bayathandana bona, mhlawumbe bazolungisa izinto zabo babe right. But okwamanje ayishem season 10 la einkundleni zokuxhumana ngaphela season 9 usuphelile kodwa nje iyaqhubeka the Mseleku family. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.